Hello students, our today's discussion topic that is on the one of the flexible pavement layer, that is construction of wet mix macadam. In the last lecture we have learned about the construction procedure of water bound macadam road. Wet mix macadam is an improvement on that conventional method of water bound macadam. This method is specifically intended to be as an alternative option to the WBM road. It has been seen that it is more durable pavement layer than the WBM road. Wet mix macadam is a subbase or the base course of the pavement, wherein the clean crust graded aggregate and the granular material like graded coarse sand are mixed with the water, and that mixture has to be rolled to a dense mass on a prepared surface. The work may be done in the different layers. The thickness of an individual layer shall not be less than 75 mm, or it can be up to the 250 mm. So there is a specific limit for such kind of construction. The thickness of the layer should be between 75 mm to the 250 mm. Now, if we talk about the material, the coarse aggregate we are using, that should have some specific physical requirement. So, whatever the coarse aggregate you are using for this mixture, that aggregate shall be crushed stone or the crushed gravel, and that should not be less than 90% by the weight of that gravel. For the sieve analysis, it should be retained on the 4.75 mm sieve, and that shall have at least 2 fractured faces. Now, if the water absorption value of the coarse aggregate is greater than 2%, then the sound test shall be carried out on the material as per the Indian standard requirement, so that it should not exceed the 12%. If we talk about some major specification on the physical requirement, then we can say for wet mix macadam, the used coarse aggregate should have the aberration value about maximum 40%. The impact value of such kind of aggregate should be around 30%, and same way the flakiness and the elongation index value should be around 35%. It should not exceed this beyond this limit. So this is what about the brief introduction about the wet mix macadam road. Now let us discuss the construction operation we have to follow for construction of this WMM road, that is wet mix macadam. So these are the few steps to be followed for the construction. The first step is to preparation of the subbase and the base course, as we are providing a layer on such particular road surface. The next step is to provide the lateral confinement for this layer. The third step is the preparation of the mix, as we have talked earlier, that of the coarse aggregate or the gravel to the water. Step 4 is transporting and the spreading of mix. Fifth is compaction, and last is, after all the steps followed, the last is to let it settle down and make it dry surface. So let's discuss in detail. The first step, that is preparation of the subbase surface. Now, before starting the work of construction, it has to be taken in mind that this kind of construction cannot be begin or cannot be done during the rainy season. Okay, So let's start with the preparation of the subbase. For that, the surface of the subbase, that is to receive the wet mix macadam course, shall be prepared with the specified lines and the cross faults, that is kind of a camber, and it should be made free from or free of dust and other extraneous matter. As earlier also in the previous method of WBM, we have learned that whenever you are starting the work, you are applying the layer. Before that layer, you have to prepare a camber, and the surface should be made free from dust and any kind of other material. Now, any ruts or the soft yielding places shall be corrected in an approved manner, and it should be rolled until the firm surface is to be obtained. Now, after all that, if you found it is necessary, then you can sprinkle the water on that particular surface to make that surface clean and dust free. After laying of wet mix macadam over an existing bituminous surface, that is not permitted. If you are applying such kind of material on existing bituminous surface, it is not preferable to apply. Now, after preparing the subbase and the base course layer, next step to be followed, that is the confinement layer. After providing this smooth layer, you have to provide the confinements. Okay. The next step, that is confinements. While constructing this road, the arrangement shall be made for the lateral confinement of wet mix. This shall be done by laying the material of adjoining shoulders along with that of the mixed layer. The sequence of the operation shall be such that the construction of the shoulder is done in the layers, and each layer should match the thickness of the adjoining layer. Only after a layer of pavement and the corresponding layers, the shoulder have been laid and the compacted. The construction of the next layer of pavement and the shoulder shall be taken up after all this procedure. So as we discussed earlier that the construction will begin or construction will be done in the layer wise. So here the layer of each surface should match the thickness of its adjoining layer or the adjoining pavement layer, and only after that you can make a compaction or you can do the compaction process. After this, the next procedure to be followed is to prepare the mix. So our next step, the third step, that is preparation of the mix. Now when the WBM or the wet mix is to be done, the mix is the crusher run material. It's said as a crusher run material. It shall be stockpiled or it should be taken in the stock with the front end loader. Here you can see in the figure that there is a front end loader. Before sending the mix for laying, the stockpile shall be watered and it should be homogeneously mixed and loaded to the dumper. In other cases, the mix shall be prepared in an approved mixing plant of suitable capacity requirement. Now, in exceptional cases, for the small quantity of mix work, mixing may be done in the ordinary concrete mixture. Otherwise, it should be done in the crusher. The optimum moisture for mixing shall be checked and confirmed as the laboratory optimum moisture content. While adding the water, it should be made for evaporation losses. However, at the end or at the time of compaction, water in the WMM mix should not be varied by more than the 2%. So after preparing the mixed, the next step to be followed is transporting the material and the spreading on the particular prepared sub-base surface. So the next step is transporting and spreading mix. Now immediately after the mixing, the mixed material shall be transported to the site and spread uniformly and evenly upon the prepared subbase and the base surface as per the required quantity. Now holding of mix over a freshly completed stretch is not permitted. The transportation of mix is usually done by tipping the trucks. That the mix should be covered with the tarpaulin. Now the material is usually kept wet during the transportation process, and it laying to reduce the likelihood of particle segregation. Now the mix may be sprayed by any paver finisher. However, in that case of multi-layer construction, the bottom layer may be allowed to be laid by the mortar grader. So now after spreading the material on the surface, the next step to be followed is the compaction, so that we can gain the proper strength. So what is in that? The compaction procedure. After the mix has been laid to the required thickness, the grade and the camber and the seam shall be uniformly compacted to the full depth with a suitable roller. Previously we have used the 3-wheel roller. Here you can use the suitable roller for the compaction. The speed of roller shall not be exceed 5 km/h, as this speed limit is mentioned in the WBM road also. Now the formation of the compaction methodology is to meet the compaction requirements of the specification shall be based on the trial section. Now in the portion of the unidirectional or the super elevation, the rolling shall commence from lower edge and progress gradually towards the upper edge. Thereafter, roller should be progressed parallel to the center line and uniformly overlapping each proceeding track by at least 1/3 of the width. It should be continued until the entire surface has been rolled and the portions in the camber. Now specifically if we talk about the camber compaction, the compaction procedure in the camber, the rolling should be begin at the edge with the roller running forward and backward until the edge has been compacted firmly. The roller then progress gradually towards the center parallel to the center of the line that rode uniformly overtopping each of the proceeding track. This compaction process should be continued till the entire pavement is considered or the entire pavement is not get compacted thoroughly. Now at the final stage of compaction, the layer shall be free from surface lamination, the portion exhibiting the segregation of the fine and the coarse aggregate, the corrugation or other defects that may adversely affect the performance of the layer. So the whole layer should be free from all these particular adverse effect or adverse activity to the pavement surface. Now after completing the compaction procedure, the surface is to kept dry for the 24 hours before the priming. The image shows the final layer of WMM road, how it looks like. So I hope guys you all gone thoroughly through the WMM road, that is wet mix macadam road. The procedure is very important to remember. So let us go through that procedure once. The first step is to preparation of the subbase. The second, after preparing the subbase, you have to confine the layer. Next is, after confining that layer, you have to do the premix process. After preparing that mix, you need to apply that, and for the apply, first of all you have to transport it from the mixing plant. So for that, for next step is followed is the transporting and the spreading the mix. After spreading the mix, you have to compact it, you have to make it fixed. So for that the compaction is necessary, and after the compaction the surface should kept dry for the better performance. Okay, so this is it for the wet mix macadam road. Thank you for your kind attention.